Plays, and this is
Emma Girl.
And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be making slime.
We got our bowls. We got our mats.
We got glue. We got Elmer's magical liquid.
It's really helpful.
Actually. Yeah, it's a really good activator. It's kind of like it. And we got glitter like this. We got some stars.
The mini avocado.
We got some circles that are blue. We got the avocados.
Those are my favorites. I don't know why. If they had little
we got some silver butterflies.
If they had the avocados had little eyes on them and then a cute smile, that would be so cute.
We also got some flowers.
Ooh.
I don't know why I'm showing you all of them, but I love them a lot.
A couple hearts left. Yeah. Just a few.
And we also got our mixing material.
I'm just using chopsticks.
And we got our mini containers for
some glue.
When we're done. And let's get started. Okay, so first tip, I'm just going to say this first off. Never put activator first.
No, never. I've done it before.
I did too, and it turned out like it spilled all over the kitchen.
We forgot to get the paint.
We forgot to get the paint real quick. How about you grab the paint?
Got
it. And you want to know something that's really dangerous? Don't put toothpaste in slime. You want to know what happened? My older sister put toothpaste in slime when she was in 5th grade. It exploded all over our bathroom sink, and it was like on the floor, on the cabinets. It was horrible.
These ones?
Sure.
Or better ones. We have better ones.
We have some options. How about we show them? I'll be right back and show you colors.
From Corolla.
Oh, these are actually kind of heavy.
Those are from Corolla.
Corolla.
What's it called?
Corolla.
I can't pronounce it.
Corolla.
I don't know.
I don't know why it sounds like it, but it doesn't. So we got yellow.
We have a lot.
Not yellow. Yellow. We got blue. And we got red.
I almost made a... That happened.
Sorry about all the noise in the background. We forgot to get the paint and there's stuff dropping.
And we don't want to restart because we tried to restart a bunch. Oh, I just realized we have slime bowls already in there.
Wow. Wow. But, so we're just kind of getting ready.
I can't find any more paint, so I think
it's fine because we got pretty good paint.
Yeah. Well, I have smelly paint. That was made for slime, but it will take me like forever to find it.
Let's just stick to the basics. So, first off, we need to start with glue.
So, are we just going to do white glue?
We can start with white glue. I'm trying to find one that has the most in it.
This has the most.
Okay. Oh, is it already ready?
I think you have to open it.
Oh,
it's already open. Oh, there we go.
Okay. There's not too much.
Yeah, because me and my sister make slime all the time, so we don't have that much.
It's so hard with these little tubes. Wait, you want to know something that I find useful? Take the whole top off.
Oh, yeah, that helps.
We don't want to make a 30-minute video because we spent like 20 minutes on one pack of glue. Can you open this? Like, bruh.
It's nothing. Nothing. I have nothing. Only like
That's
a dot.
hard. Okay.
I have a dot.
Can you open that for me? Because I got weak fingers.
Oh, that's okay.
And a lot of sensitive skin. Thank you.
Mine has like peeling.
That is good now.
That's just satisfying. Mine's just finally.
I'm sorry, I probably used like all the glue.
It's okay.
It's like running out, and I'm trying to make like a good amount of slime.
Yeah. Because we might make 2 slimes.
We're making 2 slimes right now. I think we can make just one big slime, and I found out how to get it like fluffy, but it takes forever.
Oh my gosh.
I saw someone do it, and they spent like 5 hours.
It was a 5-hour video?
Strand. No, they had to edit it. They took one strand, and then it was like the size of the width of like half her table.
Sorry, guys.
That is her hand. She's trying to adjust it so you guys can see us a little bit better.
It almost fell down.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. We're using the iPad today, so it might be a little different. But
okay.
It has a bigger
If
camera.
I ever need more glue, I'm just going to leave it open right there.
I need a little bit because mine's empty.
Me.
Me.
Her.
Let's see if I can get some out of this.
Oh, that one still has a little bit.
Still has a little bit. I'll probably find more.
I'm gonna see if I can get anything out of this. I don't know why.
Show them the cool strategy how to like get some out.
That's actually on TikTok. So if you guys want to find it, just search up how to get like stuff out of like sauce bottles and glue bottles, and it should work.
It actually really does work.
It works a little bit. Like it didn't work fully with glue, but with sauce it works pretty great. You
Yeah,
just
it
kind of
does.
like. Well, you're standing up, but I can't do it because I don't have that much space. I don't want to go pow.
Guys, that just looks weird. Caught it on camera.
Mutated glue.
I caught it on camera. It's like snail eyes.
Do you want a little bit more glue?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Actually, I got pretty good amount.
Do you
I'm
want
not a fan of
Do you
big,
want a
big
little
stuff.
bit more?
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. Because I'm happy with my amount. Now let's keep up this.
Yeah.
I have the weakest fingers because they're like so sensitive. And whenever I try to open anything, if I manage to get it open, it leaves a mark and my fingers turn bright
You might
red.
have to use the chopsticks for these. That's why I got chopsticks, because they can get these out really easily. Just to help them.
I'm just gonna put.
Yeah, that's what I do. Just a little.
That's good. I put like just the tip.
The pink has like dried out. It
I
looks
don't
like
think we
there's
should
slime.
use pink. Honestly, pink is a real. Wait, should we?
There's
make a-
blue on the bottom, guys. Look.
That's just. Why?
I don't know.
It's kind of creating something there, but it's also not.
Oh, and we're sorry if you can't see all of the slime process. It's kind of hard to go back and forth while.
I think we should get like the glue bottles completely out of the way.
Oh, my mom's home from her doggy walk.
Yes, I am having a hangover.
Mommy, Papa texted you just to let you know.
Sorry about that. Hello, doggy. Oh, they're wet. It's raining. Why do I say raining? It's raining here today, and it's kind of cold outside, so.
We live in Washington and we're in Bothell, so it's really rainy. If you live in Washington or Bothell
Okay,
or
I'm gonna
somewhere
use some
close
of
to us,
this blue paint.
yeah, it's raining.
What? No, I got a dry piece in. Get out. Get out. I'm just gonna
What if that paint just like goes all over the table?
There we go.
Oh, oops.
I'm sorry about that. I was trying to get some actual glue or paint.
Guys, look how much I got, like a light blue from the glue.
Doggies.
Okay.
How do I get the paint? I just want like 2 drops.
Or we could use like food dye.
Yes, food dye. That would work so much better than
I'm gonna go grab some
Yes.
food dye.
We are just kind of chilling today, and we wanted to make videos for you guys today. And we're going to be posting several videos. Some of them take longer than others, so by the time you see this, it's probably going to be about an hour or 20 minutes after we've uploaded them. Yes, she got the colors of the
I've actually been really wanting these colors, and we finally got them. And then we have these ones.
These are so pretty.
I know. A bunch of my friends had them, and I'm like, oh, I just really, really want them for slime.
Wait, should we make a purple? Wait.
I want a pink. I'm gonna use a pink. Did that one have? Oh, you have the turquoise.
Well,
My
I'm
sister's
very
home.
excited. Oh. It's a little loud. Her sister's only 4, I think.
Yeah, and she just got home. My dad and her did a couple fun things out.
1 drop. I put 1 drop of turquoise.
But what I sounds like they got some ice cream.
Lucky.
That's always fun.
That's lucky right there.
Well, we had chocolate chips.
Yeah, we got some chocolate. I love chocolate.
Chocolate chips.
This
are
is
the
turning a pretty nice color. We're making some this turquoise.
best. My sister's like, I picked a lot. We haven't had ice cream in our house for like a super long time.
I had ice cream cake, and the last time I had ice cream was a pretty long time ago. But
I know. I feel like people go for their stages of like having ice cream and then not having ice cream.
I put a bit of dark blue and turquoise.
Oh, could I have a little bit of turquoise? And
Yeah,
I'm gonna
same
add
here.
it into the pink and see what
I
it
wonder
makes.
how that's gonna turn out.
Yeah, I wonder. So
I
guys,
don't
get
know
this
if I'm
colors. They're
ruining
really
this
nice.
right now.
They're a little expensive, but they work so well in cakes and slimes.
I don't always love food that has dye. I feel like everyone puts dye in their food. Yet a lot of people don't.
No, I mean for like cake icing.
Yeah.
It
for
works
cake
really.
icing, I don't know why it seems off with dye, but I feel like dye doesn't have a lot in it, but yeah, it actually puts so
Guys,
much
it's making a
calories in it.
super
And, like,
pretty
a lot
purple.
of, what is it? It has a lot of chemicals in it. So I'd rather just make like a vanilla icing, so it's like
Yeah.
just plain with no dye. I don't like putting
Have
dye.
you had buttercream icing?
Yeah, buttercream ice cream's so good.
Yeah. I watch a YouTuber that does all like icing stuff, and she's really good at it.
I'm gonna see if I can like make this any lighter than it is. Cause it's like, wait, does Activator make it lighter?
I think it does.
Wait, does it? Do you guys have any lotion? I love putting lotion. Wait, can we use soap because soap scents the slime?
I don't know. Maybe in our next video of slime.
Well, that's not gonna be in a while because you're out of glue.
Yeah.
Can I just go grab the slime? Or not slime. Why am I mixing up my words? I'm gonna go grab the soap because if you put like one pump, it makes it smell so good.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I did a hack with it, and I used like this pumpkin spice soap, and I made an orange slime. It just smelled like the amazingness of October.
Oh. I need to go get a towel, and we will be right back.
I am back. Switching. Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna put some soap in yours too.
Okay. Thank you. We got ice cream for all of us.
Oh really? That's nice. I haven't had ice cream in like so long. I haven't had it in 2 months.
Give us this after we make our slimes.
Look how pretty that is. So we put some soap in.
Yes.
Not. But
My dad didn't know we were recording, and he's like, oops.
look how pretty that is. I love that color. It
It's
smells
always,
so
like-
good.
Oh my word, what flavor is this? My mom makes it, and then she just uses other cups. I don't know what she used.
It smells pretty good.
I'm gonna get some activator now.
Hey, next time we make a video, make sure you guys get like a lavender scent. There's this slime I saw where you make lavender scent and then you make it your favorite color, and it's kind of
You
like
mean
stress
another
relief.
slime that I did?
Yeah, it's kind of like a stressful relief slime.
Ooh, I
You
would
just make
actually
your
do.
you make a light color, you make your favorite light color, and then you scent it with lavender.
Guys, whose favorite color
It works
is
for me.
white? My favorite color is white, and I'm weird with that.
My favorite color is baby blue. I feel like a lot of people just assume girls like pink and boys like blue.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
It's not true. You can like any color you like.
Yeah, like I love blue. My favorite color. It's my whole color. It's my whole room's color.
She has like these lights around her.
I even put those.
Why
in.
does my walls with the light just make it look blue? It's not blue. You don't lick the paint that fell in.
It's like a butterscotch kind of white cream color.
Yeah, it's the light's making it look like blue.
I know exactly.
Mommy, Yuta was licking some of the blue that was on the ground that I wasn't able to get.
Was it like dried up or was it like a lot?
I think it was just a little bit of blue. and then
Sometimes it can be unhealthy, but if it's like just one little dot, then it's
Yeah,
not
it was
that
only
bad.
like a dot.
I'm going to be using some of this.
Ooh, that was mine.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I'll just use this one.
I'm sorry.
You just have to put it in the cap. It works better. The cap.
Oh. I think that's good.
I think that's good. I think that's good. Oh, if you guys have the Elmer's magic liquid, put it in the cap because it works better like that.
I don't like it when it makes it like chunky.
Guys, I don't know why, but it says that one bottle only will make like 3 slimes. This bottle's making me like a lot.
She has a whole box of just made.
And then this
slimes.
one's made me.
Well, I think
a
that's
bunch.
if like you make big slimes.
See, it says. Oh, it does like show only a bottle. So yeah. Okay, so if you use like a whole bottle, it will make 3 slimes with those. But if you just make little slimes like these,
It would
Make
last
a
you a
lot.
while.
yeah. I think we've had those for like 2 years now. And they're almost
And they
out.
never run out.
And they're almost out.
2 years? How often do you make slime?
Rarely.
Okay, then that's not that bad. But 2 years?
We used to make slime every day, me and my sister.
I used to love to make slime with my sister, and we would run out of activator pretty quickly. Because the thing, we didn't use these. We made our own with borax.
Look.
Wow. Look at this.
Guys, I'll be right back. Making a slime picture. Do you want to say hi?
That's Tiger Girl wanted to say hi. Snow Tiger. Snow Tiger.
Hi guys.
Hi. Don't do that at home.
Yeah, don't. Did you have ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
then
Go
good.
finish your ice cream.
I think soap makes it a little more stretchy. So can you pass me the soap?
Yeah, I
Love
like
the soap.
stretchy slime. Just hit my
Lotion
hand.
also works really well.
Can you tell him thank you?
Thank you, Papa, with my mouth full of ice cream.
I don't like putting my hands in slime too much. Yeah, I love to make it. And sometimes I
Could
just
we
have
tell
to do
them
it.
about our introduction we're making?
Yes, we are finally starting to learn how to edit. We did not know how to edit when we first started, so that's why like
No.
our covers look a little bit unprofessional.
It's just a P.
Yeah, and so we are actually making a squad too. So just
Animal squad.
yeah. So like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. You have the whole
Actually,
video.
I don't know if we can make post notifications because we're still young.
No, you can still do that.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and you're part of our animal squad. Even if you don't subscribe, and if you're not allowed to subscribe, you're still in our animal squad.
So when you play Roblox, put like Animal Squad over your.
and I think
name.
my joins are on. If they're not, you can try and friend me. I feel like I just unfriend everyone who is subscribed and friends me. I feel like I just decline. I'm sorry. I have a lot of social anxiety, and I'm very not social. She right here thinks I'm the biggest blabbermouth in the earth, but I'm not.
You're the biggest what?
Blabbermouth.
No, I am. I am.
Oh yeah, you are.
I am. Yes. Snow Tiger?
Sis, 10, right now,
Look.
I can't eat because I need someone to be quiet.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put a little more.
We're gonna have to be quiet because Morgan's always particular, like when she's eating, that you have to be quiet. I do not know why.
That's weird.
Yeah, it is true.
I'm sorry, but it's a little weird. But I feel like everyone needs something to be quiet. What the heck did you do?
Hi, maybe.
Like, I'm making sure mine is like
Perfect.
slime.
Yeah, I might have not done that.
Ooh, I'm gonna add a bit of purple.
Sorry, Morgan.
I'm gonna risk it all.
I'm sorry, Snow Tiger.
Guys, I've told you to be quiet.
Okay, we'll be quiet.
We're trying, yeah.
We'll try, Morgan.
Okay, and after this, we're quite loud. We're quite loud. Thank you, Morgan, for permission to be quite loud.
Quite loud.
I added some purple. I risked it all. And I put purple in.
Oh my god. Guys, I think
It was
I'm
such a
finally
pretty
done.
teal, but I love purple at the same time.
Yeah. Did they got to see the pretty blue?
Yeah, they did.
Okay.
You can have more one.
You can kind of see the surroundings of the blue.
This
If you
is the
didn't-
final of mine. And then we're going to add some accessories. We're going to break them in half. That's why we have 2 cups.
I don't know why I would like.
I think we have to find another lid.
But please subscribe to join the Animal Squad, and if you're not allowed to subscribe,
That's
you're
okay.
still in
watch our videos, you're still connected in our squad.
But please, like,
Please do it.
Guys, I told you to be quiet.
Okay, sorry.
we're being quiet.
We're being quiet loud. Okay, now go eat your ice
We're
cream.
being
No.
quiet and loud.
No, you're being really loud.
Okay, now Morgan, go eat your ice cream. Well, be quiet. Here.
Slash
no,
Snow
this is-
Tiger.
This.
Oh, yeah, Snow Tiger. She didn't
I
really
don't
know.
get
we
what
were
she wants us to
recording.
whisper on video. We should make an ASMR with the slime as soon as we're done making it. Sorry, our videos are always so long, but stick through it with us. And as soon as I get some good trades, as soon as I get a
Or she
good
got a
trade,
frost dragon, just to let you guys
I
know.
got exactly what I was looking for. I'm super happy about that. I'm sure if you guys' dream, I'm sure you guys can get it. I've been playing for months trying to get it, and I finally got it.
She told me eventually I will get it.
And yeah, you guys will too. We're being quiet.
We're not. They're
Yes,
being
we
loud.
are. We're being more loud. Why do you keep telling us to be quiet? Okay, so it's forming a light purple. Look at that.
That's nice. Do you guys like that? I do.
This is so much prettier than the teal I had
I
before.
wish you guys could just feel it.
Yeah, but after we are done making the slime and have all the accessories, we are going to be putting a little bit of ASMR. It's where you are completely mute and you just play with the slime and it makes a sound. And it's so
Maybe we could add some music.
No, I don't. That's copyright.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Guys, I have one more question.
Yes, no time.
Can I be part of your video?
Maybe one video we all star you, okay?
But
And then
Snow Tiger is our guest for just one moment.
Come on.
But tonight.
Do you want to show
tonight
them your chocolate face? She's showing them their chocolate face with their chocolate on her.
She just had ice cream.
Yeah.
But okay, sorry. We
And one more question. I'll make slime that for you.
so sorry about that. We were trying to film and she keeps on asking us questions and it gets a little bit hard.
Yeah, just it's hard to have a 4-year-old in the house.
Especially when she's trying to eat and you tell her to be quiet when she's trying to make a video.
And we have to be downstairs. We can't make slime upstairs because then we would have moved upstairs.
Yeah, but we made
Here's
I
the slime.
made like this pixie color.
Oh my
and
gosh.
can you hold me here? Like, can you test? Is it good?
A little sticky. I would add a little more activator, just a pinch.
Like a little.
I'm gonna get some water.
Okay.
It has chocolate on it. Just look at that.
That's disgusting.
Disgusting. Oh, that was close. I wish we caught that on camera. It like almost went over the edge, and the cap was open.
I think I put a little too much.
Yeah, that's okay. Now I have a pinch mark
The
on you.
softish slime.
Oh, guys, can I show you a cool trick? I'm gonna just break off a piece and I'll put that in there. So take.
No, it's gonna become chunky. I hate chunky slime.
Here, I'm gonna show you a trick that will get it back to normal. Okay.
No, it's starting to form again, but I just don't like it when it looks so
Shut.
like that.
So what you do is you take your slime after it's like made, and if you want to be a little more stretchy and a little more sticky, make a hole in it. Then take the glue, but make sure the glue is only on the cap. Then get it. Because we have so little, we actually have to open it up. And then I'm going to, because we
We
have
should have
so
stocked up on slime ingredients. We should have had a call and a meeting about this. We're about to do the Among Us thing where you go like, emergency meeting. We need glue.
we need glue. So,
Red stole the glue. Morgan.
stole the glue, Morgan. Okay, so I'm getting some glue, and then you put some glue on your slime, just in the hole that you made. How much you want. Then you mix it in there.
Wait, am I allowed to take the slime home?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good. I can just, is this allowed to have it on the mat?
Yes, mat is why we have the mats. And now it's stretchier.
Mat is why we have the mats. Who's Matt?
I don't know. The mats that we're using that are like have the ABC.
Again, who is Matt joking?
So that is the slime.
Sometimes when I say ridiculous thing, I'll just say joking, like in the middle of the sentence, even though it sounds like I finished the sentence.
Okay, so I'm gonna add a little more glue, guys, and then I'm gonna show you how nice it makes it, and then you guys
Also,
are gonna be shocked.
if you ever see us in game, you can take a screenshot. Maybe we'll give you some free pets, hook you up with some free nice stuff. And yeah, wait, I mixed it so well it's ready to be played with.
Oh, so guys, you add the glue on,
We
and then
need to
you
do a cooking video.
yeah we
Cooking
do.
with the animal squad, and we're not allowed to cook any animals like chicken or
No.
cow.
It would be like a vegetable meal
Yeah,
So
or
guys-
cake.
or cake. Yeah.
Oh, no dye.
No dye. So, we added the glue. She's doing a TikTok dance. We added the glue, and now it's not actually as
Wait,
sticky. And
I
it's
have
just
an
as
idea. So if we move the paint away, I got some glue on my hand. I hate that feeling. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But it was like straight on my bare skin, and it was regular plain white glue.
Okay,
No.
are we splitting and doing the glitter?
Yeah, we're going to do the glitter, but put it on your mat. So we're gonna take the bins away,
Taking the pins
and we'll
away.
put away.
So, me and Lauren still like just normal
Ah!
plain. Me and Paws Plays still like some normal plain slime. So, we're
And I was
keeping-
joking with you. It's fine if you say my real name. And I'm going to be doing a name reveal in our next video. You probably already know what it is, but I'll just do it anyways. Because why not? It's content.
you just spilled some. So
Wow.
okay, so me and Paws Plays like our just to keep
Just
some
kind
slime.
of clearing this out so we can like clean it up a little bit.
We're just gonna we like some just normal slime, so we're keeping it in a container.
I think I just might have got some slime in there. No, I did not. I am lucky.
Okay, so we're keeping split some if you don't want it all. So
Oh
we
no,
just-
I want this all.
Oh,
It's all mine.
you want it all
Um,
glitter?
Oh no, we
So that's why I told you to break
glitter.
it.
I'm probably gonna have the least with glitter. If I like the glitter, I'll just probably glitter. Okay,
It's yours, and then put the cap on so it doesn't dry out.
and I got this. This is actually the color it turned out.
It's actually super pretty.
I love it. I'm very happy that I added that purple. Or else it would have been brighter than my future, or at least brighter than the sun will ever be in Washington. And I'm not joking about that. Okay.
It has
now,
about 90 degrees though here.
Now we're gonna show you guys
We
every
actually broke the record of the hottest summer.
last year.
Yeah, I think a couple years ago.
Wow, no one ever thought we would ever hear that, and we're gonna show them the slime.
No, I really did not think that we would.
So
ever do
we are going. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm
Put
just
some
gonna-
of these away.
that. These are way off the side. Okay, I think we're good.
Okay, so let's show them each of the glitters. We got rainbow stars, like we showed in the first. I don't think we showed them all. We got these little butterflies.
Butterflies and avocados.
We got several packets of flowers.
Where's the hearts?
We got 2 packs of these golden.
Oh, here are the hearts. I think there's only like 4 left. Me and Paws Plays are both gonna have 2.
We got these little blue circles, one of my favorite colors. We got another pack of the same. And wait, the avocados.
I'm adding the avocados.
How dare you use avocados without showing everyone?
I guess here.
So,
I have avocados.
I honestly,
Why can't you see me? Oh, there's the avocado.
glitter sometimes I do not like.
I know.
Glitter,
Come on.
never, ever. Like, if you have sensitive hands or you don't like spiky things in your slime, never buy glitter flakes.
No.
They hurt bad.
Oh, and these guys, they hurt too. And I
The
love.
stars? The stars hurt? Do these hurt?
Yes,
What about these?
probably. I love them. They look so pretty.
I'm using the avocados.
They look so pretty, but they do hurt. If you have like sensitive skin, get these like.
I do have sensitive skin.
So get the hearts, the flowers, and the avocados, or
I
something
put the
that
avocados in.
something that feels like
You
nice.
can't find any avocado. I can't find any avocados.
Unless you have clear slime. I had clear glue, but I can't find it. I probably
If
used
we
it
find the clear glue, after this video, we're making another slime video.
Yeah.
And you can count on that.
But after we eat our ice cream.
I kind of want to do an ASMR. Have you ever seen a mukbang? It's like you eat food. You do ASMR by eating food.
What's ASMR?
ASMR, say, just like be mute for a minute. Don't talk at all. It's like this. That's
Oh my
ASMR.
gosh, that's so nice.
I know, exactly. And then people do it with mukbang. So they'll like get like chewy food and then just like crunch it and you can hear it.
Oh, that looked like it actually went in my mouth.
It didn't, I promise.
It did
I'll
it.
like smear.
Ah, it did it.
That laugh. Sounds like the siren head.
Buddy, what are you doing? You playing with your squirrel?
Bodie, no, he left. You're not a broken leg up there. Look, like, what's up with me today?
Buddy, you wanna say hi? You say hi?
Utah was under the table the whole time.
You wanna say hi?
Yeah, no, they don't.
So, I put my avocados in. Can I eat the avocados? No.
No.
Are you kidding me? That I kind of so hard to set up.
No, we used to have like a really nice back for it, but it broke. So then we had to get this one,
Right.
and we thought it would work, but it actually does not work.
So, the finished product of my slime. Wait, can these die?
Die?
Like, can the avocados lose their color?
No.
And die into slime? Okay. Because it kind of looks like
the
that.
flour that I put in there. Now I'm gonna mix the avocados and flowers together. Okay, now we're gonna do ASMR.
Oh, wait. I forgot about the flowers.
You can put flowers in.
Give me.
Give me.
Give me that.
When she's putting the flowers in, I'm gonna put the caps on the slimes.
I'm going to make some dogs.
We forgot to put the hearts in. And that's okay.
Fine. Honestly, this feels really nice.
It does.
Does anyone, like, know how to work with sticky slime? I don't.
I
So I
don't.
just like stretchy slime. What the heck was that? That wasn't even a stretch.
What?
I had a slime that could go like, ee.
Yeah, I love those slimes. You just have to add a lot of glue.
Finally, it's stretching.
I don't know.
Wait, stretch challenge.
I have a tip.
I don't have to. I feel like you have to have like really long arms to do that. Only at leg size.
Like Elastic Girl.
I've seen that movie. Honestly, I have long legs and T-Rex arms.
Oh, that's probably
Well,
true.
not really T-Rex arms.
I said that's
I can
probably
stretch
true
for
to
you.
my friend. That's probably rude.
And then I got. Oh wait,
She has long legs.
4'10" squat.
Yeah, and most of her body's probably her legs. Like that. makes
Excuse
it-
me. That's.
Oh no! What I meant by that is your legs make you tall. That's what I meant.
Thank you. And
That
on
is
the
a big
topic, I'm usually the second tallest in class. London's 5 foot. Lucky her. She can go to the. I bet she can go to the roller coaster park and ride any ride she wants. I'm jealous of that because I love roller coasters.
I don't like roller coasters.
I love roller coasters. Six Flags, Disneyland, Disney World.
I've actually, guys, do you want to hear something sad?
Actually,
I've never been to Disney World, Disneyland, and my sister's never been to Disney World or Disneyland, and my mom's never been to Disney World or Disneyland. My dad has. He's the only one in our house that has.
I'm shocked right now. I've been to Disney World twice, Disneyland twice.
I want to go to Disney World so I can go to
Six
Animal
Flags
Kingdom.
once.
I want to go to Animal Kingdom.
They have a very cool animal ride. But off
Look at
that
my face.
subject. Ow. Sounds like you smacked somebody.
Do you like my face?
No. They fell such a glitter. I thought that was about to be ruined.
Do you like my face?
She looks funny. You kind of remind me from that dude from a movie who has long brown hair that's curly. He's like, I saw the funniest TikTok, and there was this dog sitting in a kitchen, like, and his owner's like, look at this mighty fine dog, so pristine.
Ow. Ow. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stretch my slime so it's
Are
like
we
to the
doing?
point where
Are
it's
we
like
gonna
clear.
do the quiet thing?
Yes, and we are going to show you what, like, so you guys can see, like, what we put in a little better. You can see an avocado.
Okay, let's start. I'm actually just gonna use for this the stuff that has no glitter.
Okay, and for the third time, I'm sorry, but for the third time, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And I do have,
I like how I went.
I do have another friend, and she does animations, and I want to give her a shout out because she subscribed, and she's a very good friend of mine. So go subscribe to Fluffy Zuffy. Sorry, I pronounced that wrong. And if you're watching this, big shout out to you.
Okay, ready, set.
Wait, hold up. I'm going to do something with the ASMR, so we're going to move you guys a little bit closer to our slime pad. And then, Jesus.
Scream, scream.
And we're just going to be like, okay. My fingers. Ow!
Okay, we're starting.
My hand. You can stretch it too. And you can quiet talk with whisper. My fingers are very dirty from making the slime.
Me too.
Ah, what the heck?
I'm gonna do a stretch now. Okay.
When you want to make a big stretch, just kind of take the two ends.
Just go slow.
When you do this, don't go from the middle, it rips it. And when you want to get a good stretch, you just go like slow and
Got
slow
mine.
but steady and long. Just playing. One time I made such a stretchy slime that it went down to the floor. Now let's click on it.
I love the clicking.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep it in my hands. Oh, and guys, if you're wondering how I got these nice nails, well, were nice until I ripped them. How I got these amazing patches. It's
Your thumb is really good.
Oh, this one. This one. Okay, that's a better. It's actually real nail polish, and you just stick it on, and it's real.
Wow. Now
Real
let's
nail
get to the actual ASMR. We're starting with ASMR. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that this back is
Make sure you're not showing our dog's butt.
I'm sorry about that. They're playing. All dogs do it. The dogs are ASMR on their own.
Except they're growling. Did I make a bubble? No. Did not make a bubble.
You know, since we are doing some ASMR, we're gonna get back right back to that. I'm gonna try and give it a good stretch.
Good stretch.
A good stretch. It's
I
like
think after at 40 minutes, and that's like in
2 minutes.
2 minutes, we're gonna have to end the video because then it would have been like an hour video.
Yeah, we're sorry about all these long videos, but they're so fun to film for you guys, and we're going to be filming another one today.
Oh, and once you get to this part, just to let you know, for any of our long videos, if you just want to come back, just pause it and then come back.
Or you can just leave it on a tab. It's pretty simple. Like, you just open the tab and you search up our channel, and then you can just basically click on our video, watch it, and all that.
And then if you have to go get something done, just pause and then close your computer down.
Also, we actually ended up doing the giveaway. We couldn't get to our 35 subscriber goal in enough time.
So we had
So
to do
we
it.
gave it away to someone who unfriended me, sadly, and
Oh,
was
that's
lying about me, which is kind of sucked. But anyways,
She's going to tell me who it was after the video.
yeah, but I don't want to get any hate on her, so not going to say her user, but she won. I gave her her legendary pet.
What was it?
It was a T-Rex.
Hmm.
It was her fossilized dream pet.
Fossilized dream pets are the best. I don't know why, but I feel like the Skelly Rex should have been in the fossilized.
The deceased T-Rex.
This.
Deceased.
My words don't work!
And this is the time where Penelope, our animal girl, throws the world's biggest fit. I better hide before she throws asteroids.
How dare you?
The asteroids that kill us all.
Now it touched me that time. It did touch me. I feel like
She got corona.
How dare you?
I don't. She doesn't have corona. Trust me. We only come over to each other's houses rarely now.
Yeah.
Stupid COVID.
I don't like
And
it.
scientists, if any scientists are watching this, please find the vaccine. Actually, wait, they did find a vaccine. Actually.
Yeah, we're going back to school. Please hurry. Not hurry, but I feel like
Take your time, but also hurry.
I feel like COVID will never end, but it will find a way to figure out life and make it the same again. Well, it will never be the same.
Yeah.
But
I got so used to a mask. Like, we were coming home from Target, our local Target.
you never took your mask off. I've done that
I
before.
never took my mask off. I had it on the way there. I had it in the store, and I wore it all the way back home. And I wore it in my house. And Mom's like, why do you have the mask on? I'm like, I don't have a mask on. She's like, yes, you do. And I'm like,
It's a good habit to get used to it.
not if you're going to keep it on for so long. I feel like whenever I have a mask on for too long, it's like suffocating me.
I know. I've been in a store once, and I don't know why. I was stressed out, and I got like a hot flash, and I was wearing a mask, and it just, this is my invisible mask.
Nice. There's this thing I've seen people do. It's where they buy a face mask that looks like an actual face, and they put another real, like, blue mask under it.
And
And
that's cool.
then it looks like they don't have their mask on properly, and then they go into a store and they're like, why don't you have your mask on? And you pull it down and you're like, I do have my mask on. And they're like, that's cool.
Oh, I've seen these masks that actually have like a screen so you can actually see your real face. So people can actually say, wow, actually smile. I miss actually getting to just, instead of like, if people are just rushing around and they don't have to have time to say hi, or you don't either because you know they're busy, you can just smile and that makes them feel happy.
It's been 42 minutes, so we're going to have to end this video in a moment. Just to keep you in contact, we are making a new intro. We have an animal squad to support animals in local shelters, and hopefully we can get sponsored by them one day. But the only way they'll notice us is if you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and leave a like. Please. It helps us a lot, and we really appreciate it.
Yeah,
And
this is, it's a fun thing
I
to
found
do
a way,
with
so
friends.
I, like, in the future, if I start realizing who's a fan and who's
Why did
in
I say it's a
game.
fun thing to do with friends? YouTube is a fun thing to
Yes.
do with friends.
And, like, we're not sisters. We're not related in our families. We are not cousins or anything. We're friends. I live down the street. Well, not really down the street. You know,
Right
just
by our school.
right by our school, and that's not far away. That's probably like a 1
5
minute
minutes.
drive.
Five.
And it's like a 2 minute drive and a 5 minute walk.
Yeah. The bus takes 5 minutes.
So we love to come over to each other's houses, and we call every day. Also, if you guys try to join me when you're following me, that's only because I'll be on an airplane at the time tomorrow.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Oh, I thought my mom
We
came.
have that exact squirrel.
That Brody had ripped up, and it was like this.
We don't. He
Like a-
destroys a lot.
It was like a flat.
He destroyed a
squirrel.
hanger this morning.
What?
So my mom was laying out this dress for Emma, or my older sister. Shout out to her too. Shout out to my whole family. Sanford and my first family. But she was laying out this dress for Emma so she could come see it. And Brody went in the room, got the dress off the hanger somehow without tearing it, and then chewed the hanger and destroyed the hanger. We came in and we got so mad at him.
Oh, guess what, guys? Utah, one of my dogs.
Merlin!
Oh yeah, we're gonna give that out right away soon. Utah. And I promise it might be bad, it might be good. It's a baddish good. So Utah chewed one of the toys up that we forgot to put away, and my sister was putting toys away, and she must, because it was like this one must have blended in, because it does blend in really well.
Well, this
It's
is
a hedgehog.
15 minutes away from an hour, so I should just refinish this. This turned into a real
It chewed it
conversation.
up.
Well,
Merlin.
we will get back to these conversations with you guys in
These
a
are
couple
just fun.
minutes after we eat our ice cream and upload this, and then we're going to be making another video for you guys. She's going to be making the intro on video, and I'm going to be seeing offers for a Frost Dragon, so if you guys have one, you know what they're worth. And if you are needing to know now and you can't watch our next video, so far my best offers are 2 Neon Arctic Reindeers, Mega Unicorn and ads.
She almost got a blue egg, but it was just no.
It was just so hard to decide. And I've also been offered a Mega King Bee and ads.
And then the person's like, I got something really good that was more to her heart than a Frost Dragon, and we thought it was more
Also,
nice to just give
Is
it.
a Neon Albino Monkey fair for a Frost Dragon? Everyone's telling me to add, and I'm like, no, I have nothing else to add. I treated all my good stuff right.
Guys, I really want a neon crow. I do not know why, but my head.
Neon crows are worth a giraffe at least.
But we want to tell you, Merlin is.
All better now. We don't have to
Well, he
listen
still
down.
has his sword, but it's get super small.
Yes, and so he's becoming better, and he's not going to be put down anymore. Thank you, you guys, for so much of the support. But we do have some sad news. He has gone deaf, and we think he is becoming blind.
Because we see like a blue coat over his eyes.
Yes, you might have to get that checked out with a vet. But
But we take him to vets a lot to
Yes.
get new medication.
But we will see you guys in our next video. And also, shout outs are to my family, her family,
Oh, and
Fluffy Zuffy, and yeah. Go
we're
subscribe
having
to-
another shout out of one of my friends. I forgot her username. She just started playing Roblox, so I have to recheck on her username, and then we're gonna give her a shout out too.
But we'll see you guys in our next video after we eat our ice cream. And see you